Hello everyone, Jack here. Welcome to Infinite Curiosity. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into setting and achieving your goals. We all have dreams and aspirations, but how many of us actually achieve them? How many of us settle for mediocrity? The difference between achievers and non-achievers is mastering the right strategies. Today, I'll share steps to break free from limitations and crush your goals. Get ready to unleash your full potential. Set your sights high. The power of clear goals. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Think about that. A wish, a fleeting thought, a whisper of what could be. We're going for concrete, achievable success. You need a crystal clear vision. What does success look like to you? What legacy do you want to leave behind? Write your goals down. Make them specific and tangible. With clarity, you unleash a force that can move mountains. SMART goals. Your blueprint for success. Make your goals SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework turns dreams into reality. Specific. I want to be healthier is too vague. I will lose 10 pounds in 3 months is clear. Measurable. Track your progress with numbers. Achievable. Be ambitious but realistic. Start with smaller milestones. Relevant. Align with your values and vision. Time-bound. Deadlines create urgency. A goal without a deadline is just a dream. Action plan. From dream to reality. You've got your goals. Now it's time to build the bridge. Your action plan. Turn those dreams into daily actions. Break down your goals into smaller steps. Plan daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. Write it down and stick to it. Small steps lead to massive results. Consistent action is powerful. The power of the pack. Find your accountability. Partners. Listen, we weren't meant to do this alone. We all need support, encouragement, and sometimes a little push to stay on track. That's where accountability partners come in. Find someone who shares your drive, your ambition, someone who will hold you accountable to your commitments. This could be a friend, a mentor, a coach, even a support group. Share your goals, your progress, your struggles. Celebrate your wins together and be there to pick each other up when you stumble. Remember, iron sharpens iron. Stay flexible. Review and adjust. The path to success isn't always linear. There will be detours, roadblocks, unexpected challenges. That's life. But that doesn't mean you give up on your goals. Regularly review your progress. Are you on track? Do your goals need adjusting? Have your priorities shifted? Be honest with yourself and make necessary changes along the way. Remember, this is a journey, not a sprint. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and never, ever give up on your dreams. Unleash your potential. You've got the tools, strategies, and mindset to achieve anything. Success is about taking control, setting goals, and consistent action. Like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content. Share this video with someone who needs this message. Unleash your potential and create the extraordinary life you deserve. What is the most important goal you have set for yourself? Share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great night or day. Until next time.